Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Mabudah Hayati SPD. Saya berasal dari SMA Negeri 10 Padang. Dan untuk pertemuan kali ini, saya mengambil materi tentang descriptive text, khususnya KD 3.3 dan 4.3, yaitu menentukan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks deskripsi lisan. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, anda semua, alhamdulillah hamdan katsiran thayyiban mubarakan fih, kama yuhibbu rabbuna wa yarda. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Karena berkat amal jualah, akhirnya kita bisa berkumpul di Zoom ini, bertemu, bisa bertemu dengan kalian semua di sini, dan alhamdulillah sepertinya kalian semua dalam keadaan yang sehat, gitu ya. Okay, I want to remind you that you need to check your absency in our Google Classroom. Don't forget to check your absency in Google Classroom. Before we start our lesson today, Sultan Akil untuk memimpin doa kita pada pagi ini. Silakan Sultan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sebelum kita mulai pelajaran hari ini, angka baiknya kita berdoa sesuai kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa mulai. Berdoa selesai. Ucapkan salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sadiq, it seems for me that you are really happy today. Is it right, Sadiq? How are you today, Sadiq? How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. It's really nice to hear that you are fine. Well, for today, our material is still about descriptive text with different topics. So I will share my screen to you. Okay, and you need to prepare your pen, and then you need to write down some important information from my sharing. So last week we talked about tourism spot, but today we will talk about historical places. Oke, apa sih perbedaan tourism spot and historical places? Historical places, there is a history about the place. For example, like this one. Siapa yang tahu ini gambar apa nih? Okay, good. What about this one? What picture is this?
Mesir.
Okay,
Pyramid.
Pyramid in Egypt. Okay, what about this one?
Borobudur.
Borobudur Temple. Okay, Borobudur Temple. Okay, now, Sadiq bacakan kompetensi dasarnya.
Kompetensi dasar 3.3. Membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa deskriptif. Tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait dengan wisata bangunan bersejarah terkenal, pendek dan sederhana sesuai dengan kaidah penggunanya.
Oke.
4.2. Menyusun teks deskriptif lisan pendek sederhana terkait tempat bersejarah yang ada di sekitarnya dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks.
Nah, sekarang kita aim of the study berdasarkan kompetensi tadi adalah ini. Okay, this one ya. Melalui metode diskusi, tanya jawab, role play, kalian nanti akan menyusun teks deskripsi lisan sederhana terkait tempat bersejarah, tempat wisata yang ada di sekitar tempat kita sesuai dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dan juga disyaratkan kalian semua memiliki perilaku yang religius, disiplin, dan bertanggung jawab. Okay, so untuk mewujudkan perilaku yang religius ini, Miss mau tanya dulu. Tadi pagi Zaki dan Sadiq udah sholat subuh atau belum?
Udah, Miss.
Oke, Zaki gimana? Udah sholat subuh atau belum tadi pagi?
Udah, Miss.
Ya, oke. So, selalu tingkatkan perilaku religius ya Anda, karena hidup kita tidak selamanya gitu. Jadi harus ingat selalu dengan Allah dimanapun kita berada. Oke? So, jadi ini tujuan pembelajaran kita, dan I want to ask you, Mutiara, have you ever gone somewhere in a holiday guide by a tour guide? You know tour guide? Oh, apa itu tour guide?
Tour guide itu, Miss.
Ya.
Pemandu tour.
Pemandu wisata. Nah,
Ya,
pernah nggak pergi berlibur yang dipandu oleh pemandu wisata?
Pernah, Miss.
Pernah, Miss. Oke, siapa tuh? Oke. Kemudian kira-kira yang udah pernah nih, kira-kira dalam pendapat kamu atau based on your experience, does the tour guide explain in detail about the place? For example, like size, length, width, function of the place, atau apa saja yang disampaikan oleh tour guide? Tadi yang pernah berlibur, Amara, oke. Kira-kira si pemandu wisata ini apa sih yang dia sampaikan selama trip itu?
Fungsi bangunannya atau historical sejarah-sejarahnya, sejarah dari bangunan itu,
functionnya, kemudian history, gitu ya. Oke. That is the function of the tour guide, ya. And now, I would like to ask you to join with me to London, whether only in a virtual, but maybe we can go in that place one day, yeah. So please listen carefully and take the important information and write it down, yeah. And I will show you London.
Never forget that the people on your tour are on holiday. You know, they're here to enjoy the place. They might never come back to this city again. It might be that their plane's been diverted. They've been sent to London for a day or something. Nobody knows. So we're going to slowly but surely make our way up towards Oxford Circus. You have to always remember you're an ambassador for not only London but for England and Great Britain, because you might be the only person that these people on the bus talk to in their entire tour, maybe. Station 1, Station 2, 3, 4, Station 4, and they remember you, and then they write it on TripAdvisor, hopefully, fingers crossed, you get 5 stars. And I tell you get that first 5-star review, you're like, check that out, it's me, you know. Somebody once asked her what the Marble Arch was made of. I thought that was a lovely question. And I asked her, how long is it since you slept? And the answer was 48 hours. We've seen some strange things. I've seen it snow. I've seen the sun come out. Hello! Hello, konnichiwa! Ni hao! Queen Carly was on the bus, but she was on the big bus, but she wasn't on my bus, you know, which is a shame. Hello, mate. How are you? Good to see you, Nick. I really like that, by the way. I like the Shard. I like the London Eye because it's half an hour, you know, on it, off it, done, you know. I also contemplated whether I'd take up stand-up comedy. There's some good stand-up comics out there now, though. It's a busy world to get into. You know, tour guiding, you can still be up here. I can still be my own little nobody's ever heard of celebrity. So they had to spend millions of pounds on adding all that stuff on the front to stop the sun shining off it. It's a passion, it's a hobby and a passion as well, you know. The Shard, I watched the Shard go slowly but surely bigger and bigger. I've got a whole collection of photographs at home of it going bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until it's finished. Right, that corner building is a nice little pub, yeah, it's a Wetherspoon, it's inexpensive, you know. I have the advantage of being the tour guide in London, and I could talk about just everything. May the force be with you, and may the force be with you, yes. Don't go over to that dark side.
What actually a tour guide do to promote the place? Or what skill do the tour guide have?
Bentar, Miss.
Apa yang harus dimiliki oleh tour guide?
Saya, Miss. Sadik, Miss.
Oke, Sadik.
Bahasa Inggris yang baik.
Bahasa Inggris yang baik. Oke, thank you very much. What about the others? Di samping bahasa Inggris yang baik, apa skill yang harus dimiliki oleh tour guide?
Harus tahu tentang kota itu, Miss.
Oke, you first. Well known atau know English well gitu ya. What else?
Memiliki public speaking yang bagus, Miss.
Okay. Good speaking. Good in public.
memiliki itu, Miss. Memiliki kepandaian untuk mendeskripsikan secara ringkas, padat, dan jelas.
Oke. Intinya adalah you need to good in speaking. That is yang disebut dengan tadi menentukan, ya, itu yang skill yang harus kalian bisa untuk pertemuan kali ini. You need to be a great speaker. Kamu harus bisa memiliki skill bahasa Inggris, ya. Oke. Oke, tadi udah jawab pertanyaan yang kedua ini. In your opinion, why we need to have a guide when we go traveling? Kira-kira menurut Zaki juga, apa sih kenapa kita butuh seorang tour guide di dalam sebuah trip gitu? Kenapa kita butuh tour guide di dalam trip atau journey?
Kan turis ini kan baru datang ke situ, jadi dia belum tahu kali, Miss. Jadi dia butuh tour guide untuk apa tuh? Untuk tahu lebih tentang itu.
Okay. To know the information about the place, yeah? Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Now, look at this one. What skill tadi? Skill apa yang harus dimiliki oleh seorang tour guide? Tentunya adalah great speaking, ya. Skill berbicaranya harus dia punya. Okay. To have a great speaking, untuk punya skill speaking yang bagus, kita juga harus memperhatikan pronunciation. So now all of you, I want you to repeat after me. Dan bisa akan bacakan beberapa pronunciations. Sadik, Zaki, Muhammad Rafi untuk menghidupkan speakernya. Kemudian Nur Zakia, Mutiara untuk menghidupkan speakernya. Yang lain boleh di-unmute. Dan yang lain tolong ikuti apa yang disampaikannya, apa yang disebutkan pronunciationnya. Oke, guide.
Guide.
Okay. Explore.
Explore.
Branded.
Branded.
Famous. Okay, ethnic. Jadi ethnic itu ada T dan H, itu terletak lidahnya di antara dua gigi. Ethnic. Okay. Western. Available. Okay. Awesome. Cara membacanya, ya. Okay, good. Thank you very much. And next. Now, listen carefully and take a note for some important information from a dialogue between tour guide and traveler. There are a lot of information that you can get, and there are 6 questions that I will ask to you after the dialogue. So please listen carefully and take a note.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this fantastic tour of London by bus. My name's Greg, and I'm your guide this afternoon on our tour of London. As you can see, we're on an open top bus, so you can see all the attractions from your seat, and you don't need to walk anywhere. And please don't worry about the rain, I'm sure it will stop soon. And please ask questions at any time.
I have a question.
Oh, yes.
Do you have extra umbrellas? I mean, if it rains a lot.
No, we don't have any extra umbrellas. But don't worry, I'm sure the rain will stop soon. Right, okay, so where are we going on our wonderful tour? Well, the tour takes 2 hours and we are going to visit all the famous sites. First, we'll see Madame Tussauds, the museum with wax models of famous people and celebrities. Then we'll drive along the most famous shopping street in the world, Oxford Street. After that, we'll see the famous clock, Big Ben, and the Houses of Parliament. As we drive along the river, you'll see the popular attraction, the London Eye, from which you can see the whole city on a sunny day. Then we'll see Tower Bridge and the famous Tower of London before arriving at Buckingham Palace just in time for a cup of tea with the Queen.
Is that included in the tour? A cup of tea with the Queen?
Well, no, not exactly. But there's a lovely cafe near the palace where you can get a cup of tea.
I have another question.
Yes?
Can we have our money back? We're getting off the bus.
Well, you see... Wait, on! Everyone off the bus! Oh, don't forget your bag.
Okay. Actually, can you imagine how is the bus? Bagaimana bentuk bus travelnya ya? Seperti yang di video pertama tadi, mereka ada di dalam di sebuah bus yang di atasnya terbuka. And do you know what is the situation at the time? Kira-kira kenapa traveler dan tour guide-nya ribut sekali tadi?
Hujan.
Because of the rain, ya? Yeah? Because there is a rain there. Okay. I have a question for you, and I need you to write down the questions, and then I want you to answer these questions, and I will play again the listening, but you need to know about this question first. The first question, I want Muhammad Rafi to read the question. Please, Rafi, what is the first question?
Apa?
Blank hours.
Okay. Okay, kira-kira the tour takes how many hours, Rafi? How many hours the tour takes?
2 hours, Miss.
2 hours, good. The tour takes 2 hours. Great. Okay, next one. These questions, please read the question. Muhammad Nabil. Muhammad Nabil, please. Nabil?
Nggak tahu, Miss.
Baca dulu, baca dulu.
At Madame Tussauds Museum, you can see blah 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 map of London.
Okay, at Madame Tussauds Museum, you can see. Mungkin banyak informasi, mungkin banyak yang sudah baca tentang Madame Tussauds atau pernah lihat. Kira-kira di Madame Tussauds itu ada apa itu? Ini bisa jawab nggak? Madame Tussauds, if you really want to meet with John F. Kennedy or siapa misalnya aktor yang terkenal dan kamu mau berfoto bareng, you can go to Madame Tussauds. Ada yang tahu Madame Tussauds itu terkenal dengan apa?
Patung artis-artis terkenal.
Yes, good. Models of famous people. Tuh, Madame Tussauds itu terkenal dengan itu, dan patung itu terbuat dari lilin ya, sehingga benar-benar menyerupai orang itu, benar-benar menyerupai orang yang pengen kita lihat. And the third questions, Revulan, coba pertanyaan ketiga, Revulan.
Oxford Street is a famous street for gambling.
Oxford Street is a famous street for. You don't know? Okay, because almost all of you don't know about this. Nah, kita coba ulangi lagi listeningnya ya. Coba kita ulang lagi listeningnya. Nah, coba catat the important information. Okay.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this fantastic tour of London by bus. My name's Greg, and I'm your guide this afternoon on our tour of London. As you can see, we're on an open-top bus, so you can see all the attractions from your seat, and you don't need to walk anywhere. And please, don't worry about the rain. I'm sure it will stop soon. Please ask questions at any time.
I have a question.
Oh, yes.
Do you have extra umbrellas? I mean, if it rains a lot.
No, we don't have any extra umbrellas. but don't worry, I'm sure the rain will stop soon. Right, okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So, where are we going on our wonderful tour? Well, the tour takes 2 hours and we are going to visit all the famous sites. First, we'll see Madame Tussauds, the museum with wax models of famous people and celebrities. Then we'll drive along the most famous shopping street in the world, Oxford Street. After that, we'll see the famous clock, Big Ben, and the Houses of Parliament. As we drive along the river, you'll see the popular attraction, the London Eye, from which you can see the whole city on a sunny day. Then we'll see Tower Bridge and the famous Tower of London before arriving at Buckingham Palace just in time for a cup of tea with the Queen.
Is that included in the tour? A cup of tea with the Queen?
Well, no, not exactly. But there's a lovely cafe near the palace where you can get a cup of tea.
I have another question.
Yes?
Can we have our money back? We're getting off the bus.
Well, you see... Quick, run! Everyone off the bus!
Okay, so what about the third questions? Sudah bisa dijawab tadi? Joyce, Lucia, can you answer the third questions?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what is the answer?
The answer is famous shopping street, Miss.
Okay, Oxford is Oxford Street is the famous street for shopping. And I want you to write down these 3 questions. For example, like this question. The Queen lives at. Ada yang tahu? Ada yang masih ingat? The Queen of England lives at. The one of you know? At Buckingham Palace. Yes, okay. Next questions. Big Ben is blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you know? Apa? Beginsa. Big Ben is?
Big clock.
Big clock. Okay. Great. Big Ben is the clock. Good. Good answer. Okay, and the last questions. You can see great views of London from the one of you know? Kita bisa melihat pemandangan London itu dari mana? It must be from dari ya Beginsel?
London Eye.
Okay, great. You listen carefully for this. From the London Eye. Good. Good job, Beginsel. Okay. Yes, okay, good. Now practice the dialogue. In this dialogue, Wendy had a great holiday in Bukit Tinggi, and Ranti, her friends, wants to know about Bukit Tinggi in details. And because of that, I want Sultan Akil, you will become Ranti, and Amara, you will become Wendy. Silakan.
I heard you just come back from Bukit Tinggi 2 days ago.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I came safely. It's an amazing trip.
But worried it with the happiness you get?
Of course, I am very happy.
How does Bukit Tinggi look like?
Bukit Tinggi is a city of west side of the Indonesia island of Sumatra, near the Mount Merapi and Mount Singgalang volcanoes. The certain 1920s Jam Gadang clock tower has a traditional pointer Minangkabau. Nearby, a relic of Fort de Kock, a 19th century Dutch heplock outpost.
How do you know the detailed information?
We went there with a travel agency and they have a tour guide. It's really helpful.
Wow. I thought Bukit Tinggi is not so far from here.
You are right. But when we got by tour guide, we got a lot of information and we know the great tourism spot without need to find the information from internet and other people. They know when is the right time to visit that place.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much tadi ya. Akil dan siapa tadi itu? Akil and Amara. Thank you very much. Amara, you have a great pronunciations and I really appreciate it. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Well, there is no mistakes. I thought from what your friend said before. So you can say island, rather than island. Karena beberapa masih menyebutkan island. It is not island but island. Good. And Mount Merapi and Falcones. So you need to know how to pronounce that word. Jadi cara mempronunciationkan itu bisa kita lihat sebenarnya dari internet dan gampang untuk mengetahui cara untuk bisa mencek pronunciation kita ya. Okay, thank you very much one more time. Okay guys, now let's see. There are some stressing dan mungkin yang Sultan tadi agak miss gitu ya. When we talk to someone, we need to have a kind of like expression. Ya, harus ada ekspresinya, nggak flat gitu. So, for example, like, wow, I thought Bukit Tinggi is not so far from here. Maksudnya apa? Dengan kita punya ekspresi seperti itu, maksud Ranti di sini, wow, saya rasa Bukit Tinggi nggak jauh dari sini. Kenapa harus pakai tour guide kan gitu maksudnya? Jadi dengan menggunakan intonasi, meaningnya terkoneksi dengan baik. Ya, okay. So I will try to read it for you with the great intonation and expressing. Please listen carefully. I heard you just come back from Bukit Tinggi 2 days ago. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. I came home Shakti. It's an amazing trip. But worth it with the happiness you got. Of course, I'm very happy. How does Bukit Tinggi look like? It is a kind of like asking a question. There is a up stressing for this. How does Bukit Tinggi look like? Bukit Tinggi is a city on the west side of the Indonesian island of Sumatra, near to Mount Merapi and Mount Singgalang volcanoes. The central 1920s Jam Gadang Clock Tower has a traditional pointed Minangkabau roof. Nearby are relics of the Fort de Kock, a 19th century Dutch hilltop outspot. How do you know the detailed information? We went there with a travel agency and they have a tour guide. It's really helpful. Wow, I thought Bukit Tinggi is not so far from here. You're right, but when we guide by the tour guide, we can get a lot of information and we know the great tourism spots without need to find out the information from the internet and other people. They know when it's the right time to visit that place. Okay, so I need next time, when we have a dialogue, use your intonations, stressing, and make the dialogue alive. Okay? Okay, Sadiq, I want you to ask my questions. Sadiq, where is your hometown?
Padang, Miss.
Padang, okay. You need to proud to be Padang's people. Kenapa Padang, Miss? Harusnya bahagia jadi orang Padang, ya? Okay.
Iya, Miss, Padang.
What is Padang famous for, Sadiq? Padang itu terkenal dengan apa, Sadiq?
Pantai, kendak makanannya, Miss.
Okay. Can you see pantai? Can you say pantai in English, please?
Beach.
What is it? Beach, okay. And makanan, what is makanan in English?
Food.
Food. And what kind of food that you made?
Rendang.
Rendang. It is #1 in the world, ya. Harusnya kita bangga orang Padang nomor 1 di dunia makanannya, ya.
Sampai Padang, woi, Padang.
Chef Ramzi, tahu ya, Chef Ramzi yang punya L Kitchen itu datang ke Bukit Tinggi untuk membuat rendang itu langsung bersama Andri Wongso kalau nggak salah ya, karena rendang itu luar biasa gitu. Invite people to come here. Oke, masih Sadiq nih. Can you think some words you could use to describe your hometown?
Beautiful.
Kita bilang satu kata, okay, beautiful. Okay, Sadiq, how long have you lived there? How long have you lived in Padang?
15 tahun.
Okay, kamu baru 15 tahun. Umurnya baru 15 tahun?
Baru, Miss.
Baru, still really young ya. And what do you like about your hometown, Sadiq? Apa yang kamu paling
What
suka
do you like
tentang
about your
kamu?
hometown? Panasnya, Miss.
Okay. Thank you very much. What about Sultan Akil? Where is your hometown?
Solok Sulit Air, Miss.
Solok. Okay, good. And Solok famous for what? What is Solok famous for?
Danau.
Danau, lake.
Danau itu
atas bawah
Singkara,
ya.
Miss.
Danau Singkara.
Ya.
Oke. Danau Singkara itu di Solok ya?
Nggak tahu, Miss.
Okay, what about the others? Beginsel. Okay, Beginsel. Where is your hometown, Beginsel?
Nias, Miss.
Yes?
Di Nias, Miss.
Di Nias. Okay, Nias. Okay, good. What about Remulan? Where is your hometown?
Padang.
Padang. Yang lain yang selain Padang siapa kira-kira? Nur Zakia. Where is your hometown, Nur Zakia? So, it's really nice to have a hometown, right? Senang sekali kalau kita punya kampung halaman dan banyak memori yang kita punya di situ ya. Okay, these questions is guide you to make a kind of sort of task that I will ask you to make after this. Jadi pertanyaan ini akan melihat kamu, membantu kamu untuk nanti kamu akan membuat dialog. Misal bentuk kamu nanti dalam beberapa kelompok dan coba perhatikan ini situasi yang akan diberikan nanti. Arrange the dialogue in your group based on this situation. Ihsan, Muhammad Ihsan.
Ya, Miss.
Oke, bacakan coba please. Please read it. Lucia Joyce, could you read it please?
Will soon be on school vacation. You want to visit one of your friend's hometown. Your friend will guide you to have a trip in his or her hometown. You will talk about the place, like the tourism spot, special food or meal from the place, and etc. You need to record and make a short video about your conversation.
Oke, paham tugas yang akan kamu lakukan?
Ya.
I will divide you into 4 people in one group, and then you make a dialogue about your hometowns. Jadi ada satu orang yang akan menjelaskan tentang kampungnya, apakah itu di Padang atau di Solo. Dan jika kamu tidak tahu betul tentang kampung halaman kamu, bisa googling dari internet, ya kamu cari tahu. Dan 3 lainnya, you will become kamu akan menjadi teman yang akan bertanya tentang kampung kamu itu. Jadi makanannya, tempat wisata yang bagusnya, kemudian apa yang spesial dari tempat kamu. Jadi satu menjadi teman pemandu, yang lain akan menanyakan. Dan at the end, you will have, kamu akan merekam ini dalam bentuk video. Kemudian video ini, it doesn't mean that kamu harus bertemu satu dengan yang lain, tidak. Tapi kamu rekam sendiri, nanti kamu combine video tadi dengan menggunakan Filmora atau apa gitu. Jadi kamu gabungkan video satu dengan yang lain, pakai sebuah aplikasi Filmora atau KineMaster, sehingga terbentuklah sebuah video yang utuh. Ada paham dengan instruksi yang Miss berikan tadi? Anggukan kepala kalau paham, gelengkan kalau tidak paham. Paham, okay, great. So after this, I will divide you into groups and you can work directly. Dan tugas ini tidak kamu kirimkan hari ini atau minggu depan. Ini adalah tugas keterampilan dan nanti itu akan videonya akan kamu kirimkan menjelang ujian. Menjelang ujian, oke? Okay? Oke, Amara, menjelang ujian akan kirimkan videonya. Naila, coba bacakan our conclusion for today.
How to speak English well? 1. Get more out of listening. Notice which word the person links together in a sentence, or when they say yeah. Instead of you try to remember this detail the next time you speak, and your English will begin to sound more natural.
Thank you. Next, Remulan, please read the number 2 of the conclusion.
Remember the answer is in the question. Listen carefully when someone asks you a question in English and you all answer. Please, very time English questions are like mirrors.
3. Practicing speaking. Speaking is a skill like learning to swim. Practice, the better you will become, until finally you get without needing to think much about it.
So here, the point is I want you to can speak English well. So when you want to speak English well, the first thing that you need to know, seperti pelajaran yang sudah seperti rangkaian kegiatan yang sudah kita lakukan pertama tadi, kamu harus menjadi pendengar yang baik terlebih dahulu. You need get more out of listening. Jadi kamu harus mendengarkan banyak tentang English conversation. Pokoknya misalnya dengan menonton televisi, menonton acara-acara yang berbahasa Inggris. Jadi kamu bisa membacakan atau berbicara dengan bahasa Inggris itu dengan natural. And the last and the important one is practicing speaking. Practice make perfect. Jadi kalau kamu mau bisa berbahasa Inggris yang baik dan benar, kamu harus banyak mempraktekannya. Oke, Lucia, yang lain harus banyak mempraktekannya. You need to be active, ya, in using English. So, Zaki, I want you to answer my question this one. In this activity, Zaki, what you have learned after this one? Setelah kita belajar tadi, apa yang bisa kamu ungkapkan? Apa yang bisa kamu sampaikan bahwa saya sudah belajar ini dan ini? Apa kira-kira?
Cara berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan mendengar secara baik.
Okay, good. What do you like the most about this activity? Raffi?
Yang Raffi sukai dari aktivitas kita pada pagi hari ini, Miss, yaitu adalah kita bisa dapat sama-sama mengenal tempat-tempat yang menarik dan juga yang mengagumkan dalam Zoom meeting pada saat ini.
Okay, thank you very much. Naila, what you need to improve for the next time? What about your speaking skill? Apakah perlu ditingkatkan?
Yeah, Miss.
What about your listening skill? Do you need to improve that?
Yeah.
If you want to improve your speaking skill and listening skill, apa kuncinya, Aldo? Untuk meningkatkan speaking, you need to practice a lot. Kalau untuk meningkatkan listening, you need to listen a lot, ya. Mendengarkan mungkin dialog, news, jadi bisa
movies, song.
Okay, I think that's all for our material today, and I'm really happy that all of you really active in my class, especially our star today is Sadik, and pertahankan semangatnya ya, Sadik untuk mempertahankan semangatnya dan yang lain untuk terus meningkatkan semangatnya. Dan okay guys, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Sudah selesai kita dengan kegiatan hari ini dan jangan lupa nanti tugasnya kalian kumpulkan beberapa minggu yang akan datang. Dan we close our meeting today by saying alhamdulillah, doa kafaratul majlis, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdi, astagfirullah, asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta. Okay, really nice to meet you. Thank you very much for your activity in my class. And I'm so happy to look at your face. Whether some of you not at home at all, ya, seperti beberapa masih di mobil sepertinya ini, it's okay. Yang penting belajar tetap selalu terlaksana dengan baik. Oke guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.